everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So last month when I unboxed my paper box, I asked if you guys wanted me to do the videos separately or continue doing them separately or unbox both the mini and the grand box in one video, and it seemed like the majority of you said to do it in one video so you can kind of compare the two subscriptions and see what option works best for you. So that is what we are doing today. So my paper box is a personalized stationery subscription. I've been getting this for a few months now and it is so cute and it really does have a personal touch to it. So if you are into stationery and like notepads and making lists and stuff like that, this subscription is definitely for you. So I think today I will start with the mini. So the mini, my paper box comes with 3 personalized notepads. And it looks like there's like a flower theme or something, I don't know. But it says my paper box with some like roses on the outer packaging. So let's see what's in here. Oh, so cute. So inside, all of notepads are packaged together. So let's get these out. And there's a little thing here that says my paper box mini subscription, June 2019. So there's 3 different sizes. Oh, I'm super excited to see what that big one is. Let's start with the smallest. So the smallest one has a picture of some roses on it and says kitty on the top. So you can really use this for whatever you want, just like jot down notes when you're on the phone or whatever. The next one looks good for list making. So this also has roses on the bottom. So the outer packaging did give us a hint of what these look like this month. And then again, it says kitty on top. Awesome. I love using stuff like this for like grocery lists, to-do lists, lists for everything. I make a lot of lists. And the last one, this is unique. Let's see what this says. So this says, kitty, let's not walk around the grocery store a million times list. Oh, cool. So this is like a grocery list, and it gives you like what aisle you're going in or what like type of food, and you can write down exactly there. So you like it says you don't have to like go back around the grocery store like if you forgot something in one section. So it's like bakery, deli, produce, meat, poultry, fish, cleaning supplies, cereal and dry goods, baking and condiments, canned goods, paper and plastic, refrigerated, frozen, snacks, beverages, personal hygiene, pets, and miscellaneous. I think this is such a good idea. Especially if you shop for a large family, like this is awesome. I love when they do things like this. Like, I mean, not like anything's wrong with just like a generic notepad with like lines on it, because that's definitely useful. But this really makes it stand out to me this month. I am excited to use this. So I'll probably keep this in my kitchen and then like jot down things as I need them. And then when I'm ready to go to the store, I can use this. Or when I'm ready to order groceries on my Walmart pickup app. This is what I'll use, so this is exciting. So these are the 3 notepads we got for June in the mini subscription. So in the grand subscription, you get more things. You might get some notepads, but you can get like greeting cards, stuff like that, a whole bunch of different things. Every month seems like there's something new included, so we will see. But this time it says Kitty's paper box in the outer packaging. So even the outside is personalized, so cute. And there's like little flamingos, love it. So let's see what we got. On the inside it says, hello, fabulous. I like that. And it sounds like it's about to storm outside, so you might hear that more. And on top it says, welcome to June, Kitty. It looks like this is like a card. Let's see what it says inside. Oh, they did this last month too. I love it. It says, what's happening in June? And then it gives you like the dates with different things coming up. So I actually received this box like 2 weeks ago, like the end of May, I think, but I didn't open it right away because like I said, I wanted to wait for the mini to come in. But it says like June 1st was Say Something Nice Day, and then it like gives you ways to celebrate. Let's see what today is. What's today when I'm filming? The 14th. All right, that's not in here, but tomorrow, June 15th, is Nature Photography Day. Didn't know that existed. Sunday is Father's Day, and then June 21st is Take Your Dog to Work Day. That's so cute. Do you guys practice it or do that? June 23rd is Typewriter Day. June 25th is Take My Children to Work Day, or Please Take My Children to Work Day. Chocolate Pudding Day is June 26th. Yum. And June 27th is Helen Keller Day. So I think that's so cute. I love how they give you a reason or ways to celebrate. Like, let's say for Chocolate pudding day, how to celebrate. This is an excellent excuse to have this yummy dessert with all your meals. Yes, great excuse actually. Each month we get like a little calendar, like a desktop calendar. So it goes like this. One side says, Kitty, be a flamingo in the flock of pigeons. And then on the other side, it is just like the dates and stuff. And then it has those holidays on the bottom too. So this is super cute. So usually I just keep these behind me on my desk, so awesome. Next up, this looks like a card. How cute is this? There's like pineapples and palm leaves on it. Let's double check, is this a card? Oh, these are like little cards. Okay, so this is one side, and on the back it says Kitty with a little flamingo. And there are several of them in here, so cool. I think this is so cute. Next up is something I'm so excited about. So this is Kitty, and then it has the days of the week, and then a checklist and a shopping list. I think I might do this like plan my videos like quickly, like something to glance at and be like, okay, what do I do in this day? Like to see what I should do, like checklist, shopping list. I love stuff like this. This is so cute too. I love like the coloring this month and everything like that. Like I think I like how these notepad, like this notepad looks better than these. Just personal preference. I love like blues and greens and stuff like that. But this is exciting. I love stuff like this. And then it looks like this is actually a card. It says, if I didn't know you, my life would really suck. So that's what the card looks like. Sometimes inside the card, it'll be like from Kitty or something like that. Let's see if they did it this month. Oh, wow. This folds out. So, what does it say? Thanks for being a big part of my life. Happy Best Friends Day 2019. Oh, that's so sweet. It was just Best Friends Day. I wish I opened this sooner now. Darn. What day was that? Best Friends Day was June 8th. This is so cute. You can still send this any day of the week. And look at the little popsicle best friends. So cute. I love that. I think that would cheer up anyone. I'm glad I opened that up or I wouldn't have known what's in there. All right, and then we have another card here. And this one says, I'm glad we stuck together, and has two cacti on there. That's so cute. That's adorable. And then the inside says, I'm glad we're friends. Happy Best Friends Day. I should send this to some people and just put like a little like thing in there that says belated. Alright, and then, oh, here's one that's for Father's Day. Perfect. This says, Dad, well done. And on the inside, it says, I turned out awesome. I guess that means you're kind of awesome. Beers to you. Happy Father's Day. That's cute. I'll have to send that to my dad, even though Father's Day is right around the corner. Oh, and what is this? It says, a little something to make your stationery non-stationary. What is this? I'm so excited to see. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little tote bag with flamingos and stuff on it. And then it's on both sides. And here is the handle. That's so cute. Isn't this a cute subscription? I don't think I said the pricing in the beginning, did I? So the mini subscription is $10 a month and the grand is $28 a month. They now offer a really cool option to get it every other month. So if you don't want to get like notepads every single month, you can switch it to bi-monthly, which I think is an awesome option because these do add up. Like I use lists every day. Like I honestly used one of their notepads earlier when I was like planning a video I filmed this morning and stuff like that. So yeah, bi-monthly or monthly, you get to choose, but yeah, $10 or $28. I really like it. I especially like the grand box. I think this was maybe one of my favorites. Like I love that there's something different. Like this is definitely different for the box. The cards are so cute and I absolutely love this notepad. This is like one I will probably start using right away. And I love how they give you all of like the holidays and stuff. It's just like such a cheerful, nice subscription to open up. Everything's so cute. So yeah, do you guys want me to continue doing these in one video or would you prefer me do them separate again? I would love to hear your opinion. But yeah, I'll leave the link down below and all of that good stuff. I hope you're having a great day. Thank you for being here and unboxing with me. I love ya, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.